Hello, my name is James Eldon and I'm the principal of Manchester Academy. And we're going to have to do things differently this year by having a virtual open evening, but we'd very much like you still to book on and have a tour of the school that everyone's talking about. We say, make Manchester magic, and that's our ambition for all our students. And we've proven over the last couple of years how effective we are at doing that. We've transformed the school and we're really excited for your child to be part of our future. So please get in touch and we can book you on a tour of the Academy to see our students in action and see all the wonderful things we do. Don't forget the Manchester City Council application process, which is online, and don't miss the deadline. We're so proud of our diverse and exciting community and all the opportunities we offer our students. And we are really, really ambitious to continue improving and to become one of the best schools in the country. So make Manchester magic with us, come along and see us, put us first, and we look forward to meeting your family soon. Take care.